We are here at Modern Kitchen on Old US 20 West in Elkhart. Mark Jones joins us now. Mark, good to see you.
Good to see you.
You know, this business has been around for a long, long time, and that's really a compliment. Your grandfather had the early idea to do something like this, didn't he?
Absolutely. In 1946, he decided he wanted to build cabinets with his brother, and about 300 yards to the west of this location started building cabinets on his front porch.
Wow. You've done so much beyond cabinets, though, haven't you?
We have,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And tell us about that.
So we are absolutely willing to work with new homes in new construction, but we do all of the products that go into kitchens. Countertops, appliances, the labor to remove walls, flooring, all of those things we're able to do and help people with.
So really from the concept really to the finish, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Redesign, remodel, and relax.
I like that. That's a great slogan. But you know, when people come here, a lot of us are maybe getting into this whole arena of redoing our kitchen for the first time. Sometimes we make some missteps. What do you suggest to the person maybe watching right now that needs a little help?
So my suggestion would be that you put first things first. So come talk to the experts. We have some beautiful products here, but what I think you'll get from us is some service to help you understand what those steps should be so that you can spend your money wisely.
Do you find that some people think they know a little bit more than what you know?
Certainly, I think that's the case, and sometimes I think I know more about things than some do.
Yeah.
But no, we just want to help people understand and spend their money wisely and to make good decisions so that when everything is done, there's nothing that they would change.
You know, we talk a lot about local, and that's so important. A lot of people are staying in this area because they like it. We've talked about that. Elkhart and the surrounding area, great place to live. A lot of people have been in their homes for 20 and 30 years, and that's really about the time that they need to look at doing something, right?
Absolutely. We're doing a lot of remodel projects now of houses that were built in the late 80s, mid 90s, where people want a different style, maybe the function wasn't there that they see and that they would like to have now. So absolutely, and people are changing the way they use their kitchens. So it used to be the kitchens were a separate room. Now kitchens are a part of the whole house. Right. And when people gather together, they gather in the kitchen.
Keep up the good work, Mark. You're doing a great job.
I appreciate it.